Hey YouTube, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we are making some homemade neckbone stew. This recipe is simple. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. Here, this is 2 packages of pork neck bones. They are cleaned. In my neck bone soup, I like to add in chicken stock. So I'm just gradually going to add in the chicken stock until it covers my neck bones. You want to make sure they are completely covered. I'm going to go ahead and just let this cook for 2 to 3 hours. I'm not going to season this just yet. And then I'll come back and I'll add my seasonings and all of that. But I got this on high, and we're going to let it cook about 2 to 3 hours on high, and I'll just see you guys back once we're ready to get the seasonings and stuff in. Okay guys, here we are 3 hours later, and you guys can see my neck bones are cooking beautifully. Make sure that your neck bones are fully clean, because you don't want to have all that different type of stuff floating in your neck bones that come off the neck bones. Okay, so that's why I said before when I first put them on, make sure they are fully clean. For the seasoning, I'm just going in with my house seasoning, which is seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper mixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that in here. Just kind of go ahead and get that mixed in here. Get that seasoning off of there that kind of just settled on there. And just go ahead and season your soup to your liking, okay? So I got that in a good mix. So now I'm going in with my diced tomatoes juice. Give that a good mix. And now I'm going in with 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. You can pretty much use whatever sauce that you want to use for your soup, okay? Ain't no preference here. And what I like to do, I'm gonna rinse this out and go in there with that, give it a good shake, clean that up out of there, and then just go in with all of that too. And let it cook for another hour or so before I go in with my potatoes. The vegetables I'm not going to add to last, because those don't take that long to cook. So, okay, here we are an hour later. I just wanted to give the sauces a chance to kind of, you know, blend in with the meat and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and get our potatoes in there and just slowly add them in so you're not splashing, because this is hot. But you want to try to get these potatoes in there to start cooking, because they're going to take a while to cook. And I'm just going to go ahead and just use my knife to kind of push the potatoes under the water. And that's it. We're going to get the top back on here and just let it cook, because you don't want to keep lifting your top. The more you lift it, it's going to slow down the cooking process. So you want to just try to keep that top, keep the top on here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get this on here and just let it cook. It's been about 3 hours, I want to say, that I had my potatoes in there. So now at this point, we're going to go ahead and go in with our vegetables. And these don't need to be in that long. I'll just give this a good stir so you guys can see all of that meat that's pretty much just falling off of the neck bones. I love neck bone soup. And I'm going in with a can of mixed vegetables and green beans, because I love green beans in my soups. The whole green bean, not like the French style green beans, you know, the ones that are kind of cut up in, or split rather. Do you guys see all that meat on these bones? Oh my God, look how it's pretty much just, let me just kind of pick that up for you. If it want to get picked up rather, just kind of fall apart or just split up. You see that? Just kind of split right in half. Gonna let it cook for about another hour so those veggies can get done up in here. And I made some muffins to go with this. So yeah, it's still pretty cold outside, so this is definitely gonna hit the spot. So we're going to go ahead and just let this cook about another hour or so. And here we are here, guys. My pork neckbone stew is done. Definitely can see everything. The meat fell off most of the bones. Know that it's tender. Look at that right there. It's like, let me try to do that again. If you could see that right there, it's like almost just falling apart, right? Look at that. It's just pretty much falling apart. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys a plate together, or a bowl, shall I say, of my neckbone stew. Look at that. Loaded with meat. My muffins are still in the oven, but I'm still going to go ahead and put you guys a bowl together because I just want to taste this. My mouth has been watering for this soup all day, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys a bowl together, and I'll see you back. Okay, so I'm going ahead, put you guys a bowl together. Do you see how tender that is? How the meat just pretty much just fall apart. And look at that. That's a bone right there. And see how tender this meat is. I love neckbone soup. If y'all ain't never tried neckbone soup, you definitely need to try it. But first also, guys, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for showing me love, for the comments. I get tons of comments on my old videos. I get so many on my old videos, my new videos. You guys are just awesome. Thank you so much. And well, that's it. That's all I had to say. I just wanted to welcome you guys, and to everyone that's been here. Thank you guys for the continuing support, okay? So that's it for my video. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.